Hello friends, welcome. Today we are going to take a look at how do we answer the fourth question that appeared in 2016 CBSE Class 10 Math exam that all of you have taken just a little while ago. So the question 4 goes like this. So a card is drawn at random from a well-shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. Find the probability of getting neither a red nor a queen. So now a very quick update or a refresher on what is a well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. You know that when the deck actually contains, so there are 52 cards. First of all, there are total of 52 cards in a deck, right? And there are 4 suites. So what is a suite? There are 4 suites, and these are, let's see if I can actually draw them nicely. So there is one something like this, which is the spades. Then you have hearts. Then you have a tree looking one, which is clubs. And then you have the diamond. So these are the 4 suites. So we have 52 total cards, and these cards, 52 cards, they belong to 4 suites. That means there are 13 of each one of them, right? So there are 13 spades, there are 13 hearts, there are 13 clubs, and there are 13 cards of diamond. Now, also note that hearts and diamond, let me shade them, hearts and diamond are red color, okay? And hearts and diamonds are red color. And the 2 suites which are not shaded, spade and club, they are actually black color, right? So now what are these 13 cards? So we said there are total 13 cards of each suite, right? So if we add up 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13, that make up 52 cards. Now what are the 13 cards in each of these suites? What are these cards? So these cards are basically, these cards are the number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, J, Queen, King, and A or Ace. So these are the cards. So if you count them, there are 13 of them. So what is important is we have to find out the probability of getting neither red nor queen. So let's find out if you want to get the opposite. That means if you want to get red or a queen, so if we want to get a red or queen, which all cards can we pick? Well, we know that these 2 suites are red. So clearly hearts, 13 cards for hearts, and 13 cards for diamonds, we can pick them. So that these cards are all red, and they also include the queen. But notice that we want to pick red or queen, right? So all these cards will work. In addition to that, we can also pick the queen of spade and the queen of club. Meaning our goal is to pick any card which is red or queen, so we can pick 13 of hearts, 13 cards of hearts, 13 cards of diamonds, plus the queen of spade, plus the queen of club, meaning even though these suites are black, right, spades and clubs are black, but we can pick their queen, right? That actually satisfies this set. So how many total cards can we pick? So 13 plus 13, 26, 27, 28. So there are total 28 cards that we can pick. That satisfies this. Now what is the opposite of this? We don't want to pick red or queen. In other words, we have to take a look at total. We have total 52 minus 28. And if we do this, we will get 24. In other words, there are 24 cards which are neither red nor queen. There are 24 cards. So what is the probability? Let's give ourselves space. So if you want to find out the probability of getting neither red nor queen, so we saw that if you were to pick red or queen, there are 28 cards. So, but total are 52. So neither red nor queen will be which cards? So that will be simply 52 minus 28. This will be 24. So what is the probability? So what is the probability of doing this? So the probability will be simply all the cards that satisfy our criteria, this, right, which is 24, divided by total number of cards, which is 52. So 52, so if you actually divide this, I think they can get cancelled by 4. So 4 6 are 24, 4 13s are 52. So this is the probability. So probability is 6 by 13. Now, like I said in the very beginning, that there are different ways of solving these questions. You could have simply picked all the cards that belong to neither red nor queen. Instead of first picking red or queen and then subtracting that set from 52, you could have directly gone for all the cards which are black, right, but not queen. In other words, if you would have done it this way, so let me see if I can, let's see, can clean it up a little bit. So for example, so we have spades, right? So spades, hearts, club, and diamond. So now these are red, right? These are red. So one other way to have actually solved this question could have been, we don't want red, and we don't want queen. Now there is a queen here, so there are 13 cards over here, right? There are 13 cards over here. Now we don't want red, so these two decks are out. Each of them has 13, 13. Now we don't want red, so these two are out. So the number of cards that fits will be 13 plus 13, you will think. But remember, this has a queen, right? It has 13 cards, of which one of the cards is a queen. Now we want to not pick that card. And similarly, this has a queen. So in other words, from this 13, we have to say 13 minus 1. We have to take the queen card out because we don't want a queen. So this will be 12. So this will be again 13 minus 1, which will be 12. That means the total number of cards that satisfy our criteria, if you would have picked the black cards, would be 12 plus 12, which is same as 24. So just wanted to highlight that what we did was we looked at red cards and queen, red or queen, and we subtracted that from 52. Instead of that, we could have directly gone for black cards which are not queen, and that would have given us again 24, and then the probability will be straightforward, which is basically 24 divided by total number of cards, and this gives us 6 over 13. So clearly in your exam you are going to write this something like, you will write this as something like this. Pack of cards has 52, the total 52 cards. There are 4 suites, spades, hearts, clubs, and diamonds. Each suite 52, each suite has 52 divided by 4, 13 cards. What are the cards? These are actually the cards. And spades and clubs are black, and hearts and diamonds are red. Number of red cards or queen will be all hearts, 13 of them, all diamonds, 13 of them. If you add them, it is 26, plus the queen of spades, right, plus the queen of clubs. That means it is 26 plus 1 plus 1. So total 28 cards which are red or queen. And like we just talked about, now we want to have cards which are not red nor queen. So it will be the total number of cards 52 minus 28, 24, right? So probability of picking a card which is neither red nor queen will be total number of cards which are neither red nor queen divided by total number of cards, so which is going to be equal to this, and this will be our answer. So friends, this is the answer for our fourth question.